Here's how to tell if this property is worth the investment. The number one thing you really want to do is look at the area. If you're doing it virtually, if you're looking at properties online, go to Google, type in the address, go down the street, just look at the other properties, look at the neighborhood, make sure that it's in a desirable area. For me, I like to purchase properties in nice areas and nice neighborhoods. There is some investors that go into the war zone, but you get a little bit of headaches, but you definitely get higher margins on those. And just the other thing is make sure you get a property inspection done. Always look at the photos. Look at under the windowsills, look under the doors. Do you see any water damage? Look at the roof, see the age of the roof. Look at the foundation. If it has a septic system, make sure you get an inspection. How old is that septic system? So just really do your due diligence and really look at the particular area. Is there job growth in the area? Is there new businesses coming into the area? Like right now, I'm looking at areas where the semi-chip conductor plants are being built because that's where a lot of the job growth is going to happen. Just purchased some property in South Carolina because the BMW is opening a big EV battery plant there. And it's one of the largest plants. So you have to look at the area, and that's how you can tell if your property is a good investment. Are people moving into the area or are they moving out of the area? That is a key indicator. If you like what you hear, follow me for more.